The story of how I almost met everyone at your workplace and they don't even know me.
No.
You complain so much about them, I probably know them
Yeah.
already.
That's what somebody said.
Redacted, 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 redacted.
Oops. Beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep.
Oh, okay, that's strike number 1. And 2.
Ah! Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch my hairs. Don't touch my hairs. Okay?
She doesn't like it. I flip her arm hair backwards.
Yeah, it's like petting a cat the wrong way. Stop it. You're obnoxious.
I don't care. Doesn't
Stop!
bother me.
It bothers me. Your big butt. Look, I got this whole, like... Okay? And you're over here just, like...
Say it.
Screwing around.
I thought you were gonna say something else.
What is this? Get out of my way. That reminds me of a song, but it's super inappropriate.
Get out, do it. Oh, no, that's all.
What?
What? With?
Where does this piece go in the puzzle?
Somewhere over the rainbow, Mom.
Look at the weird colors it is.
Are you color shading the puzzle?
No. It's a puzzle. It's an inanimate object. Oh, it's around the window here.
Around the world, around
No.
the world.
God.
I'm gonna get copyrighted so much.
Nobody's coming after us.
I don't know if I keep singing.
Well,
Stop.
stop what? Doing the puzzle? I need these pieces right here. You're hoarding the pieces.
Hoarding.
Hoarding, that's right.
Dang, 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 dang.
Where's this one? And look, there's one right here. Aha! I found it.
I found it for another one.
Okay, good. So look, I got a very large piece of the puzzle done.
That means like this go this.
Oh yeah, it goes like right there, huh? Connect it. We done a good job today. We got a lot of puzzle done. Oh yeah, good job, Olivia. Good job.
And this goes over here somehow.
Does it attach up at the top there? Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
What? Drinks goes on this side.
This ring bell. Oh, does it go somewhere? I'll stick my pinky out at you.
It goes like right here. Okay. This whole thing has to go more to the side because this has to go right like this. Right like right like like this. Okay?
Like that.
Like,
Hold on, can you tell the hand difference?
of course. Hands that have done a lot in life. Hands that
Actually,
have done nothing in life.
Look at the camera when you do it. Look how much different.
Yeah. You've still got like so much more collagen and stuff in your hand skin than me. Look how plump and nice, like all filled in, like your skin looks. Mine's all like.
Ooh, don't do that. I can do this.
I know, because you have all nice collagen. It's all plump and nice or whatever because you're young.
I also got long fingernails. I accidentally. Oh.
Good job, Olivia.
Excuse
You're
me.
great. This is what I'm talking about, though, when you're just like, Have I failed miserably somehow? Like,
I was gonna talk about school.
okay, we'll talk about Sewell then.
School?
Sewell, school, or whatever you want to do. I don't know, man. Okay?
It's a nutty cone.
You're a nutty cone.
No, you're a nutty cone.
But look, we're still missing like a...
Why did I think that went
I don't know.
there?
It goes somewhere on there, though.
Alright, school.
Right here, look. Nope.
School. It sucks.
Don't say that. Where is this?
Alright, I can't say my school name, but
right
I will.
here.
Can't say my school name, but I will tell you something that happened in my school. So twice, there was gun related things. The first one was someone brought an airsoft gun to school and a knife in their backpack and threatened the teacher and the students in there. And the principal and police came down there and removed him. He's still in that school. Second time was the last day of school. So this happened recently. Last day of school, someone had gotten into a fight and pulled out a gun from their backpack.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, you didn't
We
have
still-
to go those days.
I didn't go that day, but my friends told me about it. Oh, their fire drills and like tornado drills are way better than freaking this my old school.
Oh, yeah?
My old school.
Oh, yeah?
We had one big cafeteria instead of like another like we're getting like we do the tornado drills like in the classroom, not in the cafeteria.
Yeah.
Can you stop kissing my boobs?
I didn't mean to! I'm trying to get the pieces.
What is this gonna be, like a crocodile?
What is that gonna be? Where is it? Where's
Oh,
that
it's the basket.
texture? Oh, it's the basket. Yep. That means it's gonna be right here.
Oh my god,
somewhere.
the burb!
The burb! It's on the sign! Did you drop a piece of puzzle?
Did you?
No, did you? I thought I heard something drop. Okay. So, I think we've done pretty good so far.
How long has this been running? 37 minutes.
Are you done?
No. I'm just checking it because like last video it split into three
It is
different
gonna,
videos.
It's gonna split again, probably.
Oh,
Shyster. Why? Okay, let's look. Look for
Bunny!
this.
Oh my god, there's Bunny!
Aww. They can't see the bunny. Look
I-
at him eating though. He's like nom 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 nom.
Alright, so we got bunnies in our neighborhood and
They're so cute.
like a bunch of bunnies.
I feed them too.
Yeah, but there's like a window behind y'all and we can see them.
He's just chomping, chomping, chomping.
Can't see us.
He's like a brown bunny too.
Oh, I've seen some like white and black ones out there.
Our yard is the safe space for the animals.
No, like the whole neighborhood don't give a crap. They just let the bunnies live.
We love our bunnies.
Oh, there's also a ton of stray cats in our neighborhood.
Not enough though, because we also they'd be taking down the bunny population if there was
There's a lot more
ton.
bunnies than cats.
Okay, so
This camera is so crooked. It's not even funny.
it's fine.
Excuse me!
I mean, what are they looking at? They're looking at us doing a puzzle. It's not like it has to be like perfectly centered and, you know. Okay, this is not a professional. We're just doing this, okay? Because we like it.
We're bored.
Because we
He's
enjoy
the bunny
it.
laid down!
Aww. He's so relaxed. relaxed in our little
I hear the
sanctuary. Yeah, he wants in, but I don't want him to jump on the table.
He's not gonna jump on the table.
Alright, let him in then.
It's Pearl. It's always
I
Pearl.
know it's Pearl.
Oh, they're gonna get to meet our cats.
Maybe.
Well, come on.
He's like, I'm not coming now.
Get in that room if you want to be in that room. Don't just sit in the hallway. This is our lives. Let's turn around and then he'll enter the room. It's a lot colder in here now that I just opened the door.
Oh yeah?
That bunny looks like one of those magazine people just laying like on the sand on a hot day, like mermaid pose.
Oh yeah?
It's like chilling in the sun.
It's just chilling.
And then Pearl's gonna come up to the window and look at the bunny.
Yeah.
Pearl, don't knock over the camera, please.
He's not gonna knock over the camera.
Yes, he will.
He will not.
Just stop it! Don't do that!
What?
Touching my boot!
Well, I have to get the pieces.
Why do you want the pieces?
To do the puzzle. Yeah, he's looking at the bunny. Okay, whenever I let him out on the back porch, there's this one squirrel that lives in the tree right there in the back porch, okay? And whenever the cats are out there, he's all like making this horrible like sound.
Yep.
What?
Pants.
A string on my pants?
No, but it was touching like a bunch of little hairs.
Oh, yummy.
What?
I said, oh, yummy.
No. My window is so foggy.
Just no. Just don't say that
My
anymore.
window is so foggy. Oh, hey. Oh. Yeah, okay, hello. Please don't drip on the table. Why does that bunny look like the cat cleaning itself? Do bunnies clean themselves the same way cats do?
I don't know. It's a good thing to look
Oh,
up.
bye, bunny. It's hopping away.
Aw.
I don't know much about bunnies, but I know that they live here.
They like to eat what's in our yard. I know that.
Pearl, just lay down.
Like,
Wait.
don't tell me what to do. Mommy's not giving me any attention. See, I told you.
Welcome Pearl to our TED Talk.
Yeah.
Special guest. Can you start working right here?
I don't like those pieces.
Well, too bad. I'm taking these away.
What is this even of?
The bottom. I put all the red swirly and blue swirly pieces, so it's like the table.
Okay, I'll do it.
Some of them are orange, so they might be over here. Orange bicycle.
Are you just not doing puzzle anymore?
Look right there. It's broken.
What's broken?
The window.
Oh,
thing.
the window blind? Yeah, it's fine. It's been like that since I moved in.
Pearl. No. Yeah, that's what I thought. Did that go right there? Do that? Do that? No. Don't. Where is this ice cream?
I do a lot of things really loudly, Olivia.
Alright, I'm gonna start working over here. Now, what the heck is this? Ooh.
Thanks, Olivia.
You're welcome. I'm still missing the ice cream parts.
The what?
The ice cream parts. guys.
Well, we're missing half a door over here. Do we want to just start pointing out things we're missing? Well, look, we're missing the sky. Is that what we're doing now?
I found an all pink piece.
Where is this? It's part of the words.
Bird is a word.
Bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word.
What are you doing with that?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure. Look, it's part of the word. So I'm trying to
Why'd you
figure
put it right
out.
there?
It's right there. There we go. I tried that already. What?
Oh, that goes there. Where is this supposed to go? Oh, it goes over here. Ow!
Oh, good job, Olivia. I heard that too.
Pop! There's two buddies!
Aw, they're really young ones too.
Oh, don't run on the road. Oh.
Why he just runs out on the road? Don't run on the road.
Runs down the road.
Proceeds to run in road.
No, but what if he just got ran over during the podcast?
Oh no, we would be devastated. We'd be like, oh!
I mean, you're not wrong. Let's just scooch over. So that needs to go there somewhere. No, this needs to go right there, and this really needs to connect to this really right there.
Yep.
Let's find the umbrella piece. Pretty sure. Melancholy. Is it collie or cocky?
It's not melancholy, I know that, okay?
Is it
It's melancholy, yes. There's a lot of like breathing ASMR where we're just sitting here doing puzzle, you know. Here's the freaking cones piece. Oh, I know why you put it over there. It had a red chair in it.
Red chair in it?
Yeah, right there, see?
Yeah, it has red chair. Oh, stop playing feetsies with me.
I didn't move my feet.
I'm putting my feet on this railing.
Okay, well you do that. I didn't move my feet at all, okay? And you're like, you're playing feetsies with me, and I haven't even moved my feet. Okay?
Or have you? I'm putting that piece together. Shh. I wish we could play music. Or Big Bang Theory while we played.
I wish we could too, but we can't. Copyright.
Oh well.
What? Your legs are hurting. Sorry.
And then that's supposed to, umbrella supposed to be right there. It's not right there. It's not pink. I think that's supposed to go over there. Here, take your umbrella.
My umbrella.
Sit under my umbrella. Ella, 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 eh, 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 eh. Under my umbrella.
Ella, Ella. You're right, it goes right here.
I told you.
I put it in there wrong. I put the piece in there wrong. There. Ow! You stomping my foot for, dang. Just like, hey, how hard can I push down on her foot before she'll say something? Huh?
Oh, wait. Why are the ceilings crusty?
Because we have an old house and it's a popcorn ceiling.
So you're saying other houses don't have popcorn?
No, they don't.
Couldn't you just scrape it all off?
Yes, but it's a pain in the booty.
Pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be split into like 3 different things.
Huh?
It's gonna be split into like 3 different things.
Yeah?
Be quiet, Pearl. You're the one who wanted to come in here during puzzle time. I'll still give you scratches though.
I'll still give you scratches though. It's okay.
What are you supposed to do? I can't reach your head. I know you're upset about that, but you're walking too far away from me. It's just out of reach, too.
Yeah.
He's always like this.
What?
I accidentally just went to the cat. Stabbed him with my fingernail on accident.
Oh.
I was trying to pet him. Work out for your finger, Mom.
Okay.
Oh my god, you're...
I'm over here, not commenting on anything that's going on.
Oh, they can see my water.
Oh no, your water.
I know,
So
but they're gonna be mad that I'm
provocative.
using a plastic straw. We reuse this plastic straw a lot. Because Dad refuses to throw it away. He just keeps washing it.
What's wrong with that exactly? I'm very confused.
Like he does with plastic bags.
Yeah?
Refuses to throw it away and then you
Yeah.
secretly throw it away.
Oh yeah, yeah, so I do that.
Except I keep that one plastic straw because we don't have that many straws. What the crap? What is this? What is this?
I can't see through the table, so I can't tell you.
Oh, it's a Hamtaro plushie. I was kicked it with the foot.
Okay, good for you. I think I've done more of this puzzle than you.
This
now, at this
time.
point.
This time. Gray. Umbrella. Shh. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
How would you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10?
I like doing puzzles. Do you like doing puzzles?
Most of the time.
Okay, these don't have any chair
We
in
should
them.
watch Anastasia again. That was a good movie.
Yeah, I've watched it too many times now.
Oh, dear. Anastasia is a great movie.
No, I've just watched it too many times now.
Pearl, this is not your conversation.
This is an A-B conversation. You can see your way out of it.
It's a horrible joke.
It's not a joke.
It sounds like a joke to me.
You're a joke.
Now Pearl is sulking on my bed. Because he's not getting his way.
Yeah, he does a lot of that.
Ooh. You cleaning your toes. I hate when they do like the flexy, like all the way out
Oh,
flexy
yeah.
with his toes. Does it taste good, Pearl?
Ew. Olivia Klein. That's gross.
No, he's literally eating his foot.
Yeah, he's scratching. How do you, he has to scratch there.
No,
There's
he's
nobody-
licking his foot. Look.
I know, because how is he supposed to scratch? Huh?
I know, but like, does it taste good?
Probably not.
Then why is he doing it?
He has to clean his toes. What do you want him to do?
Does that gum just get in his mouth and he has to eat it? Or
I
does it Throw it up
guess.
into a hairball.
Honey, you know, I don't know, okay? I couldn't tell you.
Oh, that's That shouldn't. What?
What?
This needs to go over more. Because there's clearly a piece that needs to go right there.
Okay. Clearly my piece goes just like that. Okay, so that's where it has to be, right there.
Well, look for it.
You look for it. I'm doing the chair.
It might be in that box.
I hate you.
I was right, though. I was right, though.
Where's this piece?
Isn't it this piece right here?
Is it? Ugh.
I was right.
Okay.
That don't go there. Do you need a red umbrella?
What?
Do you need a red umbrella?
Yeah, right here.
Do you need a green umbrella?
Yeah.
You need some more umbrellas.
I got a lot of umbrellas.
Under my many umbrellas. Umbrellas is almost underpants.
Huh? Umbrellas is what?
Almost underpants. Like when you I guess sounds like it a little bit.
Oh.
Did you ever watch Captain Underpants?
Yes, I watched Captain Underpants. I read all the books when I taught 4th grade, too. They're pretty good.
I don't want to be a teacher. I think that job would suck.
I also agree that that job sucks, and I know it firsthand because I did that job. You know?
There was so much drama at school.
Yeah.
Like, it's not funny anymore. I found a dog part. I think I found the butt of the dog. I think I found the butt of the dog.
Where's the dog? Oh. Yeah, probably. It's a tail sitting down.
Found
yeah.
the butt of the dog. Need another piece of the red umbrella.
Sure. Probably goes right here, Olivia. Yep.
I found all of your umbrella pieces.
Yep.
We need some boats. I think we need some boats.
Boats go on your side. Nope, I got
There's
boats
some
on my
boats
side.
on your side.
Yeah.
I'm looking for basket pieces.
You're a basket case.
I said I'm looking for basket pieces. Chair. Oh, I put some of the floral designs right here in that pile. Up there. You looking?
Yeah.
Like right here to up there. There's some up
Why
there.
did you do that?
Because they're leaves.
But they're not the same.
They should be easy to
Huh.
spot.
Here's one.
How are we gonna ship this?
Well, after we glue it together, it'll be a lot
We're
easier.
gonna film the gluing.
Yes. This has to go right here. Somewhere. It doesn't have to, but it feels like it should.
I should what?
Nope, it goes right here.
You need another chair piece. And another chair piece. Another chair piece. Another chair piece. Another chair piece. Another chair piece.
What
And another
pieces
chair
are you
piece.
gonna have left on your side, huh?
I got pink. You need a basket piece yet?
No, that's for the bicycle.
You should work on the bicycle.
You should work on the bicycle. Look, here's some bicycle. Okay, and there's a bunch more bicycle in here. No, I'm using this space. You go over there and use your space. Okay?
That's where the table goes.
Okay, I'm not doing blue table yet, okay?
I know, but it's part of red chair. Blue table's part of red chair.
I know, but I'm not doing that yet. I'm trying to get like all the curly swirlies, the easy part done first.
I found another dog piece.
That would you focus? You're like totally like ADHD-ing over there.
Are you saying I have ADHD?
But just focus.
Do I have ADHD?
No.
Then why are you saying ADHD?
I'm just like, but that's what you're doing right now. Is that you're like, you know.
Like what? Ribbons. Bing, bing. Bicycle ribbons. I had a bicycle when I was littler.
Okay, stop coming this way. I need this room for serious.
I need to find for serious. I need to find the dog pieces.
Serious.
I'm seriously finding dog pieces.
I'm gonna turn you into a dog piece.
What? I don't think I'd be.
Huh? You don't like that, huh?
I find you concerning.
I find you concerning. What? What? I find you concerning. Really?
I found ice creams for your table.
I don't need any ice creams, okay?
I will eat all the ice cream. We need more ice cream in the freezer.
Well, we need to eat some of our food down then, because
Eat some of our food down?
Yeah, because I
What's a
can't
food
fit
down?
any more ice cream into the freezer if we don't
Outside
eat some.
freezer.
Yeah, there's no room there either.
We'll put it in the fridge.
We can't put ice cream in the fridge.
Then I'll just eat the whole ice cream in one go.
No, you will not.
Can we go back to Baskin Robbins? Baskin Robbins ice cream is good.
Not today.
I'm gonna get birthday cake next time.
Okay.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Comment down below. Did I just hear a Discord notification?
I didn't hear anything.
Pearl sleeping.
I heard a bird. What? I did.
I hear a car. Because the one just passed by.
I'm just saying.
Pearl's just laying there now.
Yeah.
Look at the baby. I feel a need to throw something at him.
Why? He's like sitting there all so nice like.
So nice, like.
Yeah.